Hello all, those who are waiting for Anthropology full course, we are going to start from October 20, altogether new course with new content, with new tests. So complete description of our Anthropology new course, fresh course which we are going to start from October 20, I am going to decipher now. So the features of this particular Anthropology full course is, number one, the course is going to be for 4 months duration and the classroom hours will be for 250 hours, in which the 4 months means October 20, November 20, December 20, January 20 and February 20. By February 20 the classes will be completed and then you will be ready for your prelims and mains. 250 hours of classroom hours will be there in this particular course. Not only that, I will be providing you the Anthropology current affairs magazines as well as case studies. Up to now I provided 650 case studies, more 150 case studies I will be adding to this batch. Overall you will be having 800 case studies which are related to current affairs. So this is which I am going to cover in this particular October 20 batch. Not only that, you will be having online accessibility and offline accessibility. 1 year validity course will be there. For offline students, we will be giving online extra. N number of times you can view the classes, no condition, nothing. The app will be in your control, not in our control. You can watch N number of times. For offline students, online will be provided. And for online students, only online will be provided. But if you want to convert to offline also, you can convert with the permission of management. Daily answer writing practice very religiously. I personally believe that daily answer writing practice is very important. If we want to become Usain Bolt, we have to do daily morning exercise practice. In the same way, if you want to get a good rank with Anthropology as your optional, scoring more than 300 marks, then daily answer writing is inevitable, and daily answer writing practice I will be focusing. And daily answer writing practice in the classroom itself, I will be providing you the question, I will be providing you the structure, and you have to write the answer, you have to convert in the PDF format and you have to send me, then I will be evaluating by the end of the day. Every daily answer writing practice will be evaluated on the same day. Sometimes it might delay, but almost all days we will be doing on the daily basis. Weekly grant tests on Sundays, evaluation with guidance and toppers will be rewarded. Yes, every week religiously we will conduct the tests according to the module and according to the course, and whoever are getting the topper, for motivation's sake, for the inspiration to others, we will be rewarding them with some gifts, like books we will be providing, which are very good high quality books we will be providing. You can check in our YouTube also. And 2 hours of live class. Every day there will be 2 hours of live class from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. From sharply the class will start by 7 a.m. and by 8:30 a complete explanation will be there. I will be not believing in dictation of the notes. So 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. the class will be conducted. From 8:30 a.m. doubts will be solved and will be given a question with a structure will be provided. Weekly test will be conducted. With that weekly test, I will be providing you the model answers. And for that evaluation also, you can have a discussion with me, directly me, no mentors. You will be in directly contact with me and I am the faculty for your Anthropology. So guidance will be provided on your answers of weekly tests. You can contact me, you can ask for betterment, improvement, and we will be focusing on the tests. Overall, you will be having 12 tests under weekly test program of October batch. Not only that, for 2 hours of live class, 1.5 hours will be the classroom discussion. I will be explaining the topics, no dictation of the notes. I won't believe in dictation of notes. I will be giving ready-made notes to you. 1 hour, 30 minutes will be the classroom and another 15 minutes will be live doubt clearing session. After that, I will be giving a question on daily basis with discussion of previous year's questions, and for that question I will be explaining the structure in the classroom itself, and I will be telling you to write the answers on the daily answer writing practice, and I will be evaluating on the same day. Not only that, 500 plus high quality model answers will be provided. So apart from the textbooks which we will be providing you, 2 textbooks, hard copy textbooks, we will be providing you 500 plus model answers, and I will be providing you the classroom notes PDF to you. And for every unit, value added content will be provided. What more you want to prepare for Anthropology and to score more than 300 marks? You have to start. Just You have to enroll. That is the only thing which is left. Foundation to advanced level, very, very basic. If you are from arts background or science background or engineering background or commerce background, any background, from very foundation, from very basic to the high advanced level, my classes will be there. And I have an experience of 12 plus years of experience in teaching anthropology as the optional. So abundant experience. I taught nearly 100 batches. Nearly 10,000 students of anthropology optional students I taught. So you are going to get the best classes, I can ensure you. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. support system will be there. My phone will be with me and you can call me anytime from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. with respect to any doubts. I will be available with you to solve your doubts. There is a support system also from us. Simple and integrated content. The classroom notes, you can ask any students of our previous students, the notes will be very simple and integrated manner. Why? Because it got developed. It took years together to develop this particular notes. Free GS current affairs also we will be providing monthly basis. So current affairs magazines also will be provided by us. One-stop solution, 2 hard copy books will be provided to us, to you, which will be the best source for your value-added content. Free interview guidance for aspirants who clear mains with anthropology optional. How it will happen? Every day I will be taking the classes of interview goers. On Zoom platform. I will be quickly revising all the anthropology topics. for the interview aspirants, so that if any questions come in your interview also, it will be like a cakewalk for you. That particular feature is also part of the program. Regular value added content. Why anthropology is the best optional? You have to know this. So I told this all we are going to provide at Vishnu IAS Academy. But why anthropology as the best optional? Very interesting. Why? Because you will be discussing about the family, marriage, kinship, economic systems, political systems, religion, tribal societies, Indian societies. The syllabus is very short and precise, high scoring. Anthropology is happening optional, trending optional. The more number of ranks are from anthropology. One of the optional, not only optional, one of the optional. Static syllabus, 80% is static syllabus and 20% is dynamic. Straightforward questions are there and interdisciplinary in nature. Why? Because economic topics are there, polity topics are there, religion. So it's interdisciplinary in nature. Never you will get bored. Never you will get bored. It is interesting. It's a curiosity maintaining optional. So you will feel very interesting while taking your optional or studying this particular option. And not only this, we are coming up with the innovative idea from October batch, which is called a Samiksha. Direct one-to-one session you will be having, not tests. Random questions will be asked by me, so that how you are preparing, how your standard of preparation, individual one-to-one basis you will be having Samiksha review for each and every student. For the first time in India in civil services preparation industry, Samikshas we are going to conduct, which is called as performance and reviews. And these are the reviews of our old students, and these are our rankers, 2021 rankers, 2020 rankers, 2019 rankers, 2018 rankers. And the testimonials are available in the YouTube. You can just click Vishnu IAS Academy Topper. You will get the testimonials of our rankers. Why? Because we work hard for our rankers. We give time for our rankers. We just not only advertise them, we just not only talk about them, we work for their rank. It is proved with this evidence. See, this is our faculty for general studies as well. In this way, we are going to come up with the anthropology full course from October 20. We are not going to hike the fees. From last 2 years, what fees we are maintaining, the same fees we will be maintaining. We will be continuing. Why? Because we know the hardship of the students. We are not going to increase any fees. This year, 2023 also, we will not increase any fees. So this is a great opportunity. All the best. Jai Hind.